Ah, it's a mondo. Alright guys, for the next couple days we're going to be in Townsend, Tennessee. Every year we did this Father's Day trip to come up here and just camp with the family, and I like to get out here and do some fishing. But we're on the Little River. We're going to see if we can catch some trout today. Oh, that hit the bridge. Alright, so we switched spots. We're in the park now, so you have to use single hooks. We decided to move into the park because there ain't as many people swimming. It's a little more shallow. It seems like more of the deep holes, people love to go swimming. And I mean, I don't blame them. It's hot out. Kind of sucks for fishermen though. But we're gonna go down here and try it. See if we can get on a fish. I think this this part of the stream is supposed to be wild trout in it, so see if we can get on one. Got one, guys. That's a smallmouth. I got a smallmouth. Yeah. Well, I was surprised to catch this, but we caught us a smallie, a little smallie. That's pretty cool. Look at that thing. Swim away. I think he's just sitting out there. Guys, I just had a hit in this little pocket. Well, I guess he ain't gonna bite no more. Guys, I got one. Yeah, I turned the camera off just to see if I'll catch one without the camera on, which I usually do, and got this wild rainbow. All right, guys. Sorry I didn't have my camera on. I turned it off on purpose because for some reason when you turn your camera off, you usually catch a fish. So I just tested it out, and well, I caught this rainbow. So pretty nice one. Pretty nice wild Smoky Mountain rainbow. Man, these fish are pretty. I love fishing up here in the Smokies. It's always a nice time. Sorry about that release. That wasn't a good release. I was trying to do an underwater release. I just couldn't get my camera turned the right way. So sorry about that. Man, that was a pretty Smoky Mountain wild rainbow. I'm thankful I even got on one. It's been kind of slow. Ain't really caught many, but I turned my camera off just to see if I'll catch one. And turns out, I guess when you turn your camera off, you catch fish. 'Cause that's what always happens to me, is when I turn it off. I was just testing it out, and then it turned out I caught one, so. Yeah, it's a mondo. All right, cast up in there. I was just sitting here eating my granola bar, and I was looking at the maps just to see where we were, and we're on the west prong of the Little River. From what I know is that these fish should be wild throughout here. I don't think they stocked it since like a long time ago, but so far the fish that I've caught were wild. So I always like coming out and finding a new stream. I've never fished this stream, or this part. It's pretty cool when you come out and never fished a stream before, and then you start catching some wild rainbow, and heck, I even caught a smallmouth. That's pretty cool. So I mean, guys, get out there and try new places. Try new places to fish, try new streams. I really enjoy it. Sometimes you don't catch anything. It's just, you're just getting out there and trying a new spot. I've tried new streams that y'all haven't seen because I didn't post the video, that I didn't catch absolutely nothing in, but it's just cool finding new places. But anyways, we are gonna get back fishing. Dang, I got a bite. All right, so decided to wrap it up. We're about to walk back to the car and head back to the cabin. Probably done fishing for the day. So, man, we had a good time. Caught 2 or 3 rainbows and 1 smallie. I mean, you can't complain about that. And they're wild fish, so. And y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all in the next one.